Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.